Hi, I'm Brian Wilson, and welcome to another 5 Minute Friday with Brian. I'm a local real estate agent in Southern California, South Orange County area to be specific. Today, I'd like to talk about what I'm hearing people discuss in general, and I'm getting questions, are we in a bubble? Are we going to experience another bubble like we did in 2008? I really don't think so. And after saying that, though, I can saw a report that did say the homes in the Southern California area from December 2019 to December 2020, values went up almost 17%. That's crazy. But okay, here's my three reasons as to why I don't think we're having a bubble or going to have a bubble. Housing shortage. I did discuss this in one of my videos a few weeks back about the supply and demand, but it's truly that. Its supply is very low. And with the very low housing supply comes a strong demand. We do have a tool out there called Trend Graphics, and it analyzes the real estate sales data. And it calculated that if no more homes came on the market, we have 1.1 months left of inventory, meaning it would take a month and just over a month to sell all the homes that are currently on the market. That's really, really low. Second, buyer demand is strong. Very strong buyer demand. If you remember 2008, the lending practices kind of fed the buyer frenzy. There was subprime lending going on, and anybody could get a loan. Really didn't matter what your occupation was because you just stated your income. No documents to prove it. That's not the case now, but and also then stock investors were pulling out of the stock market and investing into real estate mortgage-backed securities. And that was artificially driving up the real estate prices. So today, I feel demand is real, and those low interest rates that we're seeing are really what's fueling it. But they are full documented. So there's a lot of, it's not as easy as just saying you made how many hundred thousands of dollars this last year. So, and then also millennials. Millennials, if you, from a National Association of Realtor study, millennials are the largest buyer segment right now. And the average age of a millennial is about low 30s. So welcome to the real estate market. Uh, right now, the pandemic going on is also fueled people wanting to have home ownership, to be able to move away from maybe the big city where they might be renting a small apartment to into the suburbs where maybe they could buy something because they don't need to go into work. So that really has helped also move the market well, and that really plays well to California, Southern California. There's not a lot of large cities in the area. So number three, and I feel this is the most important one, is that many homeowners currently are equity rich. What do I mean by that? Well, equity rich means their loan is 50% less of what the market value would be for the property. So they can weather any kind of little up and down if something were to come. Also, in California, that number of people that were equity rich rose in Southern California area. It rose from the third, let me make sure I get it right, the third quarter of 2020 from 39.7% to 46.1%. So we're getting up to close to half of the people have over less than a loan that's less than half their value of their home, if that makes sense, or twice their value of their home, if that makes sense. Anyway, so a bubble, I don't really think it's in one coming. There's still high demand in the real estate market here. It's a pretty healthy and strong market, especially if you're a seller. So again, I'm Brian Wilson. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. There's my contact information. I do look forward to speaking with you and hope you had a great day. And please subscribe to this video or send me a message with any topics you think I should talk about. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your week. Enjoy. Bye-bye.